This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Bianca Lorenzo. Waterfront condo living in Treasure Island, one of Tampa Bay's premier beach towns. Maintenance. Free beach living awaits you in this completely renovated unit within a 20-unit waterfront complex. The building is conveniently located near a Publix, shops, restaurants, and trolley ride away from downtown street. Beat with music, art, and plenty of fun entertainment. The best part is you get to live on the water with just a short walk to some of the whitest and widest beaches in all of Florida. The ground floor unit comes turnkey with all the furnishing included. Perfect to lease out several months out of the year or simply move in and become a local year-round. Inside the unit you'll find an open floor plan with additional seating at the breakfast bar that overlooks the stainless steel appliances, with granite countertops and separate dinette area. Just past the living/kitchen/dining is the updated bathroom with glass enclosed shower. The bedroom boasts a queen bed and 2 side tables that fit perfect in the bedroom with an oversized closet for additional storage space. The complex has a resort-sized pool that overlooks the community boat slips with one available for your use up to 7 days at a time, and others may become available for sale or